Biafran spirit takes over as Nnamdi Kanu have his first defense appearance today. Defeat the court. All right, my dear listeners. Yes, this is the 24th of uh, of October. The IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu is having his first defense appearance, and with the look of things, you will see that the whole place is looking very calm, and God has really taken control. God has really taken control, and you see that the IPOP leader came in with a calm spirit. There wasn't any, look of aggression or look of being worried in any way. Yes, the whole thing is just appearing to be very very calm, and I love this. Nothing can be more sweeter than what has just been revealed right now. It can easily be said that the Biafran spirit have taken over. Yes, so the Biafran spirit have taken over, and as it has taken over, believe me, you will see how the whole hearing will just appear to be in his favor. That has always been our prayer. Nnamdi Kanu appearing alone without his lawyers. You can see him greeting Obi Agwocha. Yes, Obi Agwocha, one of the Senate leader, and yesterday he was live. He was live to give an update of Nnamdi Kanu's performance at the defense, and you really need to hear him. The analysis was, was carried, very, very carried and catchy. He really gave it to the public, and his explanation was very, very clear. Yes, my dear listeners, this is why I will say that you just need to be a part and parcel of this hearing. I've always been telling you people that we must try our best. We must try our best to be very very welcoming, especially when it comes to matters of this kind. Okay, we just need to be carried and moved. You understand? Yes. So I'm encouraged by your presence, very much encouraged by your presence. So let us still remain. Don't go anywhere. But before then, I would like to allow you to have a feel of the court appearance and the presence of the court. How does it look like? Yes, let me move you into the courtroom. Let's go in, my dear listeners.
Somebody that denied the leader himself has gotten to a point that he need to enter alone because the jungle has matured. It's the time for him to prove himself, beyond any reasonable thought, because this judicial system seems to be compromised. From all the pictures that have been painted so far, it looks like Omotosho likely from the actions of Master Nnamdi Kanu want to actually jail him, and he need to put it to the public clearly that he is the one. If you are going to jail me, I am the one that will determine whether you are competent enough to sit down in my presence and engage me in a matter that the appeal court has discharged and acquitted. There should be no retrial in the first place. So you can see the whole thing is a calculated effort, a game plan. You saw what transpired, that his lawyer, Ejimako, has also been arrested, and those who are supposed to build and fortify himself or legal advice or the other, has already been apprehended by the government. So what is left for him alone is to stand alone, and there's nothing wrong with standing alone. Because he will be bold enough to mention some certain things his lawyers cannot be able to mention because of the fear that they will be sanctioned by the Nigeria Judicial Commission or the Nigeria Bar Association. So I can tell you that Nnamdi Kanu has embarked on a deadly, legal move to confront operation. This is a clear-cut operation, a deliberate one. And you can see it. He was denied medical care. He was denied opportunity to, have a time for his defense. And he insisted that he must start his defense immediately. Omotoso can be rescued from trying this matter because Nnamdi Kanu is of the suspicion that from everything pointing towards direction, somebody that denied you health care so that you will not die, deny you that, can jail you. And that is what he is standing and saying he has gone to that point. Yes, with due respect to all his legal team and all that, Kanu Gambi, who is a former Attorney General, yes, he made it very clearly that Nnamdi Kanu, from the assessment that he can defend himself, and he's concluded by wishing him good luck because he knows at this point in time, Nnamdi Kanu finally is going on a suicide legal mission to defend himself and protect himself. Because he refused a political solution to that. What at this background, as you can see, the lion himself, walking, confidently, you can see what happened. He's not afraid of what to show. Go and ask Bintayako. Go and ask all of them that come. The question is this: why are the judges after running away from Nnamdi Kanu's trial? What is the interest that Omotosho actually speaks? When he came in initially, it was like, this is what it is. There's no matter in this. You're just going to pass judgment straight away, and then we will speed the trial and all that. Look at the manipulation that are coming in gradually. So it has gotten to a point, that the trust is no longer there, the belief is no longer there, that there's a possibility that his presiding over the case might be compromised by certain forces. Who caged him? That's the question. Those who caged him has compromised the process of, and based on that, Anzanka is saying, now I can actually go out there to defend myself. But I am pleading on both international and national media houses, respective media houses, to and human rights activists, organizations, CLO, to push for, public hearing of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Thank you.
Okay, but with this Nnamdi Kanu case still ongoing, do you not think if this case is not properly handled, do you not think this might bring a total or completely disgrace to Nigeria?
No, I don't know how Omotosho is going to summon both existing ministers, former governors and former governors, and ministers who are involved, Attorney General and the Chief of Army Staff. They need to appear in courts because the matter is not based on self-determination anymore. It's not about Biafra anymore. And the matter is not about felony again. It's about terrorism. Then how did Nnamdi Kanu become a terrorist? Where we are seeing the RPOB members everywhere physically, anywhere in the world without arms. I don't understand. Nigeria.
Yes, my people, the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu is up for today. You can hear everything coming out right now, and what should be expected. Omotosho, well, I think the ball is in your court. If you like, do the needful. If you like, don't do the needful. If you like, play politics. Now you sabi. Eyes are watching. For those people, for the charges that they levied against the IPOP player, we shall now see how they will prove that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. Hey, Nigeria, this country, they have the terrorists around them. They have the terrorists around them. They are granting them pardon. Someone who is out to help them capture the terrorists, they are getting him detained. Who is the terrorist? My people, I beg make una share this video because the defense of the IPOB leader has just begun. Thank you.